Dami-dami. Oo, Phoenix.
Gabay-gabay.
So guys, we are here with Jana Saplan, launching her latest single, Pasko'y Nagbabalik. Yan. So please tell us something about your album or your single.
This single is extra special to me po kasi it was made by the one and only Mr. Music, Sir Jonathan Manalo. And it's all about giving love, happiness this Christmas, lalo na nararamdaman talaga natin na ang Pasko ay talaga namang nagbabalik. After all that has happened to us for the past years.
Pero ikaw personally, di ba pagdating ng Christmas, may mga favorite Christmas song tayo. Ano yung favorite Christmas song mo?
Nako, mga station IDs ng ABS-CBN. Wala na akong ibang maisip kundi yan, yung Star ng Pasko. Sobrang iconic po na.
Tapos Jana, parang why you decided to release a Christmas song?
Well, this is my second actually na Christmas song po released ever.
Yung una?
Yung una po is Sana Lagi Ay Pasko. It's under Star Pop as well. So, for me po kasi Christmas is very special to us, especially Filipinos, kasi that's the time when we get together. Actually, minsan nga, napo-forgive ba natin yung mga nagkakaroon tayo ng sama ng loob. You know, it's all about happiness, love, giving love, and also receiving from the people you also love.
As a summary, anong ibig sabihin nung song mo na Pasko'y Nagbabalik? Please tell us something about the story of that song.
For me, this song is about reminiscing memories from the past and also creating new ones this season, especially for the next coming years with the people you love po. Kasi parang talagang nararamdaman mo na yung simoy ng hangin, yung mga awitin ulit na talaga namang nakapagbalik ng mga magagandang memories with your loved ones.
Speaking of memories, ano yung memories mo during Christmas or yung mga past Christmas mo na hindi mo malilimutan?
Actually, yung pinaka ngayon po yung recent talaga na memorable sa akin na Pasko is yung time nakasama ko po yung sister ko sa Dubai po kami nun. Kasi 4 years ko po siyang hindi nakita. So during that time, parang nakompleto po kami ulit, tapos nakapag-explore pa po kami ng different cities. So it was really a fun experience with them po during that Christmas.
Tapos on the side, bago ko balikan uli yung about your single, balita ko isa kang pilot, student,
Yes,
di ba?
po.
So how was it? Parang ang hirap maging pilot na babae, tapos singer. Parang gusto nga kitang lagyan ng tag ng girl pilot, singer. Parang ganyan. Di ba? Parang kakaiba yan di ba?
Right.
Pangarap
Pero
ng lahat.
actually po, ngayon po, for everybody's information, marami na po talagang lady pilots all around the world. Also here in the Philippines, hindi lang po ako nag-iisa. Marami na po din akong kabatch ng mga babae. So it's just amazing that we are breaking that stereotype about aviation being a male-dominated industry. So with that, I'm just so thankful na parang napapakita namin na kaya din namin gawin yung ginagawa ng mga lalaki.
Why do you want to become pilot?
Simple
Bukod sa gusto mo
one.
magpalipad ng eroplano.
Exactly. Income po. Kasi we all know na mataas po ang sweldo.
mataas din mag-aral.
Well, it
gastos.
is an investment talaga, but makukuha mo naman po yung return from it. And also the experience is a different thing. Hindi mo po siya mababayaran talaga. It's a priceless view, priceless journey. So I think po lahat sulit na sulit yun. And besides that, dahil nga po mahilig din po kami mag-travel as a family, nakikita ko po kasi yung mga piloto sobrang ganda, sobrang pogi pag dumadaan sa airport. So parang nagkaroon ako ng interest na, uy, gusto ko rin maging katulad nila. And I was also fascinated with how airplanes work. And fun fact po, yung daddy ko was supposed to become one. Nag-aircraft mechanic po siya. Pero ako na lang po yung
Nagtuloy
ng kanyang yapak.
For sure, magiging trending lady pilot ka. Siguro habang nagpapalipad ka, kumakanta ka.
Meron po ako times na ganun kasi pag sobrang layo ng pupuntahan, medyo bored ka na, kanta ka na lang. Ganun.
Pero ano yung isang bagay na medyo challenging being a lady pilot?
Actually po, yung process po talaga sa pagiging piloto. Kasi kung iisipin ng mga tao, madali lang, like pindot-pindot lang, ganyan. But it's really not. You have to be physically fit, you have to be mentally prepared, emotionally prepared. Also, kasi may mga medical requirements, kailangan 20/20 vision mo, yung body health mo is fine, wala kang problema. And also, yun nga, studies talaga. Kasi marami ka pong pag-aaralan, yung mga charts, weather. Actually, parang all-in-one kami kasi parang kailangan din namin matuto yung sa mga doktor na side, tapos meteorologist, mga ganun po. So, it's all-in-one po.
How many years pa bago ka maging pilot?
Hopefully 1 year.
Wow!
In 1 year matapos ko po siya kasi I'm just really waiting for my check ride. Sayang nga po hindi ako nakaabot this December for the check ride. But next year, sana po, ma-line up na po ako for that.
So next year, magpapalipad ka na ng eroplano?
Yes po, ulit. Kasi po
nakapagpalipad ka na before.
I'm done with my solo already. Nabinyagan na po ako uli. Kasi po may ritual po kaming mga piloto. Kapag nakapag-solo ka, it's either bubuhusan ka ng malamig na tubig or yung dati po, minsan halo-halong poop ng mga caramels. So yun yung
Part yun ng
it's
challenges.
an initiation po na parang tapos ka na sa solo mo. It's an achievement for you as a student pilot.
At kailangan din daw magaling ka lumangoy.
Well, in case of emergency, like water ditching, it is a must. Opo. Marami po talagang kailangan na matutunan. Kaya parang malaki po ang respeto ko talaga sa mga piloto. Lalo na po sa airlines kasi mas marami na po silang inaaral na technology dahil nga po mas high-tech na yung instruments.
Jana, looking forward to that.
Yes.
Sana maging pilot ka talaga.
Opo.
The lady singing pilot.
Push po natin yan.
Push natin yan. Ako yung una nagpangalan yan, ha? Hindi, tanong ko rin, Jana, kasi parang before, magkakilala na kami ni Daddy and then the rest of the press knows you already. And isa ka rin sa parang tinitignan na may magandang muka na singer. And are you planning to enter acting also?
Well, opo, if given an opportunity, I would love to grab that kasi acting is a different, different experience po. And of course, I would love to gauge my capability when it comes to acting, kung kaya ko ba ng drama, kung kaya ko ba ng comedy. Gusto ko rin makita kung saan ako possible when it comes to acting. And also po, nag-workshop din po ako before, nung bata po ako and now. So, let's see po.
Pero ikaw, kung may choice ka, anong genre yung gusto mong try at the first launching of your movie? Pag gano'n. May gano'n na agad na movie na agad.
If ever po siguro, mas nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa drama, yung mga inaapi, ganyan.
Wow.
Either inaapi or ako yung
Sinasampal
nakaapi.
at
Opo.
nananampal.
Yung mga ganon. Opo.
Sino yung gusto mong sumampal sa'yo?
Ay, pwede po si Maricel Soriano, si Tita B. Yung mga ganon po, parang sobrang isang karangalan. Diba po?
Any actor that you want to work with soon, collaborate, kung bibigyan ka ng chance to have a love team or parang work with a great actor?
Kasi po matagal ko na pong crush si Joshua Garcia. Parang alam po na lahat ng press na siya talaga yung ultimate ko. So, if, di ba po?
Given a chance.
Bakit hindi? Sino ba naman ako para tumanggi si Joshua Garcia?
At sigurado hindi tatanggi si Joshua.
Ay, hindi po natin alam. But it would be an honor for me to work with him. At saka marami na pong magagaling na artists. Ngayon, I worked with Seth Fideline as well sa music video niya na Kundi Ikaw. Also, Zach Tabud The Way Back. So, ayun po.
Sa mga girls, sino yung mga gusto mong mga makasama?
Naku po, grabe po kasi yung pagtingala ko kay Miss Catherine Bernardo, honestly. Kay Kim Chiu ngayon na sobrang sikat na sikat sa dami ng kanyang mga teleserye and movies. Tsaka po yung mga veterans po talaga. Si Vilma Santos, Marisa Soriano. I mean, kahit maging extra lang ako, parang sobrang matutuwa na po talaga ako maka-work na.
Speaking of Catherine, nalungkot ka ba?
Ay,
About Katniel?
Ang buong mundo ay malungkot dahil sa pangyayaring yan. Walang kakain ng isang linggo. Charot.
Isa ka ba doon?
Isa po ako doon dahil sobrang fan po talaga ako nila ever since. Kaya seeing that, parang, I mean, I do respect their decisions to part ways kasi syempre they have to grow din. So, Wala. We have to, sabi nga po ng lahat, we have to accept what they decide.
Going back to singing, hindi na naman yung mga gusto mong mga makakollaborate, being a singer. Sarah G.
Gosh, she's, I can't explain what she is kasi parang unexplainable what she can do. She can act, she can sing, she has a good heart. So everything about her is so good. I love her so much. Sayang nga po hindi ako nakapunta nung concert niya. May ticket na ako, hindi lang ako nakapunta.
Dahil nagpalipad ka ng aeroplano.
Ay, hindi naman po. I have other commitments. So, yes.
Tawag dito, do you dance also?
Yes.
Sing and dance?
Actually, ang
Like
una
Sarah
ko
G, di
po
ba?
talaga is dancing before singing. So, ayun po, it is both what I love to do.
Most probably, soon baka maabangan din namin yung mga single mo na meron namang danceable.
Yes. Actually po, yung mga na-release ko pong songs before are all danceables. May
Like
naman,
what?
ano ngayon? Dancing on My Own po. Yeah.
Pang ilang single mo na to?
This is my 5th.
Wow, malapit ka na magkaroon ng EP.
Actually, parang sana po. Sana po.
Most probably. Okay, so last na lang, Jana. This Christmas, ano yung wish mo?
I just really wish for peace and love for everyone po. Kasi this Christmas is about being happy and giving and receiving love from the people around you po. So I just hope na lahat po ng problems ay maayos, not just here, not just within us, but for the whole world.
Please invite them
Yes,
to be
po.
part of your single, Pasko'y Nagbabalik.
Ayan po, to everyone who's watching right now, once again, I'm Jana Zaplan from Star Pop, and you can always listen to my songs on Spotify, YouTube, Amazon.com, Apple Music, and other digital platforms. You could also follow me on my socials. It's at jana.zaplan po. Sa Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. And ayun, sana po magustuhan niyo po yung mga songs na available ko doon. Especially my latest one, Pasko'y Nagbabalik. This was created by Sir Jonathan Manalo.
Thank you, Jana, and
Thank you po.
congratulations.
Salamat!
Thank you.